ready to learn and have fun dancing with us? Today we'll show you how translational and rotational motions can be seen through our dance. So come on, join us. Let's go!
Translational. This is called translational motion because we are moving side to side and back and forth with our body and arms. Rotational. Rotational dance is seen through our arms. Both translational motion and rotational motion. Both motions are seen through our arms, swinging 360 up and down, and our body moving forward, backward, and left to right.
난 있고 땡땡이 치고 날 만나게 될걸 티까 매력을 보여줄게 Pick up the phone now or never pick up wow 정신없이 쿵쿵 내 마음을 붕붕 사정없이 hit it 여기서 모르겠어 넌 낮이나 밤이나 빛이 나기 전에
And that's our presentation of motion through dance.
We show translational motion by moving from one place to another.
And the rotational motion turn, spin, and turn.
We hope you learned something while enjoying. Thank you!